All right, friends, let's do a quick color comparison. A wig sister asked me if the color Brown Sugar Sweet Cream by BelleTress is the same as 1723R8 by Tressallure. I have them both right here, and let's talk about it. This, to me, is the perfect example of how application matters greatly. I have studied these two colors for the past 10 minutes, really trying to assess them, and here is what I believe. I think they've used the exact same colors in these two wigs. I see the red tones in the Brown Sugar Sweet Cream, but the Tressallure color is much heavier handed on the red tones, but it has all the same tones. I see the same blonde, I see the same low lights. It's just that this one by Tressallure is so much warmer than the Brown Sugar Sweet Cream because they used a heavier application of the more ashy blonde, whereas Tressallure used a much heavier application on the reddish and auburn tones. So, what do you guys think? This is why color is so hard. The color swatches will only tell you what colors are in the wig, but not the application. And as you can see, the application matters greatly.